Hi guys, it's Jenny. Welcome to this week's vlog. So this week's vlog is going to be all about what we get up to whilst we are here in Ubud. We got to Ubud 2 days ago on Tuesday. It's now Thursday when I'm filming this. So yeah, we are here in our lovely Airbnb. I'll give you a tour in a second. So yesterday we went on like a bike ride tour. It was like mountain biking and that was so much fun. We went like all through Ubud and saw some like really cool things. So I did get some footage with the GoPro, but it's really shaky because we had it like attached to the bike, so it's of course really shaky. So maybe I'll put a little bit of that in, who knows. But yes, we've made it to this Airbnb. It is seriously gorgeous. It's so nice. So let me give you a quick little tour. So this is the main door and you come straight into the like living room and kitchen area. So you've got like living space, TV over there, you've got a little dining room table, and then you've got the kitchen over here. And this Airbnb is really cool because it's kind of like a hotel. They've got like a fridge stocked full of stuff, so it's kind of like a mini fridge in a hotel. That's actually our water though. So if you take anything they do like charge you. So far we've had a can of Pringles because I was really hungry when we arrived here. Yes, this is this area, and then you've got these doors. For some reason there's SpongeBob stickers over the windows, not sure why. But then you come out here to the pool. The pool is so nice, really nice. So then you've got one bedroom in here which we are not using because there's only like, you only need one room. Here's the view. You've got like a little bit of a garden, and then you've got a view of some rice fields, and I can't see anyone out there working. I did see some people earlier, but there's usually like loads of people in here working. You can see there's some more villas over there, but all in all is pretty like secluded. You've got another villa next door. And then so we'll go back over here into our room. So this is our room. It's so messy, but through there is the bathroom, which maybe I'll show you the bathroom in the spare room because Lewis is in there right now, so let me get the keys for that room. Okay, so this is the like other room. It's so cute. Like the towels are like that in our room too. Like it's just, this Airbnb is so nice. It's almost like a hotel. They also have room service, which is like amazing. All you have to do is like text the WhatsApp number what you want, and then they bring it right to your villa, which is awesome. So this is the bathroom. First off, love the doors, and then you walk in. This is what it looks like. So our bathroom is a little bit differently laid out. When you walk in, you've got the sink area here, and then the toilet is actually here, and you've got like a wall up there. But yeah, they have outdoor showers. I'm not really sure how I feel about them. They're nice, they're really cool, like it's really different, but it's weird showering and being able to see outside is a bit weird. It's also kind of cold because the hot water runs out really quickly, and then you can probably hear the wind. Like right now it's nice and warm, but yeah. There's a gecko up there. See him? You can't really see it. But there is this massive gecko in our bathroom, like every night. There's a huge gecko, but he's chill. He just sits on the wall. But yeah, that is our Airbnb. Again, like the one we stayed in Canggu, it will be linked down below if you do want to stay here. The plan for today is we are going to the monkey forest, which I am so excited for. I'm also a little bit nervous because the last time I was like that close to monkeys was when I went to Longleat, and we of course like were in the car driving through the monkey enclosure, and they were like climbing all over the cars, and I was like in tears. I was terrified. But I was also like 6 or 7 then, so, you know, I'm 20 now, so I should be okay. But yeah, I'm very excited for that, so I will try and get some footage of that. Okay, so I was just editing the vlog. Well, actually Lewis is editing the vlog. There he is. And there's a clip in the monkey forest which I thought needed some more explanation. So when we went in, well, I was already pretty scared because the monkeys were everywhere and they were quite aggressive looking. And we were stuck like in the middle of this.
It was like another tour group.
Yeah, another tour group.
And they were all Chinese,
yeah, I think they were Chinese, and we were like stuck in the middle of them for ages. But I was kind of pleased about that because the monkeys were scaring me and I didn't want to walk through on my own. So anyway, we were like behind this little group of the tour, and then this monkey was just like walking past. And
no,
then
he was sat. He was like
he was
sat.
He was sat as they walked past, and then he spots. So funny. He spots this like on the back of this lady's backpack, like this hand sanitizer bottle, like dangling from it. I'm pretty sure it was like a. It was on like a little like carabiner. Yeah, it was like a Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Like case on the hand sanitizer, and so he like grabs it off and he was like pulling it off, and it was so funny. The lady was like screaming. You haven't got a clip of it? No, it's not a very good clip because I was really scared when he started pulling it off. Because I was scared that he was going to come over to us.
As we kept walking, the woman was like hiding, like by her like partner or husband, like clinging to them for like the rest of the time that we could see them.
Yeah. So yeah, I thought I would explain that clip a little bit more because I didn't get the best angle of it because I was pretty scared about it. But yeah, and then he started licking it. He started eating the hand sanitizer like it was an ice cream. We feel really bad for that monkey now. I hope he's okay.
He's probably really ill. Yeah. Poor monkey just downed a bottle of hand sanitizer.
Yeah, poor thing.
He wants the bag.
Kenapa?
It's got like a bottle of hand sanitizer.
Oh, gini. Diambil. Bisa diambil.
He likes that. Hey guys, so okay, I was just gonna say that we like just came back from the monkey forest, but we didn't. We went to the monkey forest yesterday, which was a lot of fun. Like, it was really cool. It was kind of scary having all those monkeys around. And I meant to film this clip yesterday when we got back, however I completely forgot, and I just remembered now. So, the monkey forest was really fun, although I think we spent like an hour there, max, like no longer than an hour, and we would have spent longer, however I had a major wardrobe malfunction. Let me show you. So yesterday I had on this jumpsuit which I adore. Like, I love this so much. It's so cute. I bought this like really recently. It's the first time I wore it. It's so cute. I was excited to wear it. It was so comfortable. However, as soon as we got to the monkey forest, I went to the toilet, and because it's a jumpsuit, you have to like take it off from the top, and then I was pulling it back up and the freaking strap broke right here. I've like safety pinned it together, but of course yesterday did not have a safety pin, so I had to tie this string here, and it just like kept coming loose. So I literally was walking around like this like the whole time, and it was so annoying because I was just so worried that it was going to like fall apart and then I would just be exposed to everyone. Yeah, I even asked like of the information desk if they had a safety pin, but they had no idea what I was on about. However, we went to the supermarket today and I found some safety pins, so I fixed it, and it's very easily fixable if I had like a needle and thread. But yeah, I can carry on wearing it now for this trip, which is good. But yeah, I just thought I would tell you that because it was kind of funny now looking back at it, but also annoying.